The majority of the people choose to sleep in the morning and wake up late. They will go just in time to reach the workplace. Morning gives you everything you want. It is a holistic medicine. If you can walk 1 hour daily in the morning, it can do wonders in your life. Daily 1 hour walking plus calcium-rich diet will help in preventing osteoporosis. It will be very helpful for those who are suffering from cholesterol and blood pressure, as it will help in reducing blood pressure and convert LDL to HDL. Walking for 3 times a week can keep our body fit and healthy. It will keep our respiratory system smooth and strong, as it helps your body to expose to some fresh air. It can even prevent neurodegenerative diseases like dementia, as it will increase the production of some chemicals favorable for this. It will stimulate the circulatory system. This will in turn result in improving the function of our immune system. If you can get a 1 hour morning walk, your body will become a good source of vitamin D. It will also help you to get a peaceful sleep at night. During the morning you will be exposed to fresh air, abundant in oxygen. This will make your memory sharp. Morning hours will give you such a calming effect. You will feel a normal mood. It will be very helpful to prevent breast and colon cancer.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a thing or two. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button, okay? Bye.